Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a recipient on your Remitly account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to add a recipient, click on Recipients at the bottom section alongside the Send button, and you will see your current recipients. Click on the Add button at the top right corner, and now you will be allowed to select a new recipient. Enter the first and last name and enter the phone number, which is optional. You can then enter the email address of the recipient and also their residential address if you wish. You can then click on the Save button, and now your recipient will be added onto your list right away. You can add as many recipients as you wish by simply clicking on the Add button and entering their details. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add recipients onto your account on Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.